Today I'm going to show you how to do an advanced image search using Google. Your first stop when searching for images is always going to be using our database for Britannica ImageQuest, because then they are already cited for you. The citations are done for those images. However, if you cannot find anything there, as well as going to the Creative Commons websites that we discussed in the other video, you can certainly look for an image on Google. The best way to do this, though, because we want to make sure that we're choosing images that are Creative Commons images, is to do an advanced search. So we're going to type in advanced image search, and we want to click on Google Advanced Image Search. So once we click on this, we're going to choose Find images with this exact word or phrase. So since in the last video I went over pumpkins, I'm going to choose pumpkins here. Then I want to narrow my results. So under usage rights right here, you have two options. We can either choose free to use or share, meaning that we just want to choose an image and we don't want to alter it in any way, or free to use, share, or modify, meaning if for some reason we wanted to put our picture in the image, or a different add a different picture to the image or modify it in any way, we would choose this. For this one, we're going to do free to use or share. I'm going to click search, and then I am going to choose picture. I like this one, so I can actually click on the image and it's going to pull it up so I can see in better detail what I'm looking at, and I'm going to choose this picture. So I want to use this for my project. I'm going to click on the link and it's going to take me here. So this actually took me to Flickr, which is the website that I used in the other video for you. And then from here, you would just go ahead over to EasyBib and create your citation. I hope that this was helpful. Just be sure when you're looking for images and pictures on Google that you do the advanced image search and make sure that you're using Creative Commons images. Thank you.